Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very simple technique that you can do to help you activate your third eye channel. Now, whatever technique that you are practicing, whether it's seeing a light through your third eye or feeling a tingling, bubbly sensation at that energy channel, you can help activate this by simply tapping. Physically tap your fingertips on your third eye point. And you can use this technique in two ways. One, to help activate and sustain that feeling. So if you are seeing a light or feeling that tingling sensation, to help keep it going, you can use your fingertips to sustain it. Or you can use that tapping sensation to initially get that going, to get the light in, to get that tingling sensation started. Stop. So stop tapping your fingertips. And then seeing how long you can sustain that without that extra help. So at the beginning, you might use your fingertips more often just to get that sensation going, get it activated. And then over time, begin to practice tapping and then stopping and seeing how long you can let that sensation continue without the help of your fingertips. Now you can also enhance this technique with the use of second sight oil. To make this, you are simply going to combine mugwort, rose, sandalwood, frankincense, and quartz crystal in an amber colored dropper bottle. And you can use any carrier oil that you have on hand, but personally for this recipe, I do like olive oil. Jojoba oil as well as sweet almond oil is also a great choice. Now you're going to let this oil sit away from direct sunlight, ideally in a cool, dark place, for a month. And be sure to remember to shake it every single day so that the ingredients get incorporated into the oil. And then, when it's ready, you are simply going to take the oil, do one drop on your fingertip, and then begin doing that same technique, tapping your forehead, but with the oil on your fingertips. Now, second sight oil helps to open up your third eye, and it also helps to enhance your psychic abilities. So if you need a little boost, this is a great way to supplement your practice so that you can develop even further, and then over time, activate your third eye on command. So good luck. Good luck with your practice, and until then, I'll see you all again very soon.